since our approach to this project is to develop the application feature by feature, so we are going to focus on the front end because we are done with the first feature, and that is creation of a post, but instead we are using the backend. And this is where we left in the previous video by creating a post. So we are going to implement this, but instead on the client side. So how are we going to connect the client side to the backend? So before we get into that, let's see the front-end stack that we are going to use. The first one is React Query. And we are going to use this one to make asynchronous request. Don't worry, I will show you how it works and how we are going to integrate into our application. But in case you want to learn more about React Query, I have a course on that. And we're going to use Tailwind CSS for the UI. And for this one, you don't need to be familiar with Tailwind CSS, because I will provide all the template for you. We are going to focus on the main logic for this application. And definitely, we are going to use React. And then we're going to use Redux, and to be more specific, Redux Toolkit to manage our global state. At this point, you may be asking, what is the differences between React Query and Redux? Let's continue in the next video to see the overview of React Query.